Bleached palm oil is a necessary ingredient in some Nigerian cooking, and in this video, I will be showing you how to do it safely and carefully. To bleach palm oil, the first step is to pour the palm oil into an empty pot, preferably iron or stainless steel pot. Then cover the pot. You'll need to heat it gently to reduce its red color, so just turn the heat to the lowest, making sure you keep it below 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, to prevent burning. Ensure you don't open the pot once it's covered because it could erupt in flames. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. The oil will gradually lighten in color as it loses its red hue. Don't open the pot while it's still hot. Remove the pot from heat and let the oil cool down before opening. This gentle heating method can help you achieve bleached palm oil without altering its flavor. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to hit the like button or give me a follow so you don't miss upcoming posts.